Welcome to another episode of Quick Clean Eats. On today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to make a stone fruit salad. Very easy, very fast. So stay tuned, I'll be showing you how to do that right away. Okay, so I'm going to be working with a couple of stone fruits. Stone fruits is basically your regular, just whole fruit. So I had some left over after Memorial Day, and I was like, might as well make a salad out of this. It's very vibrant, very light for the summer, so I figured I'll show you how to do it. So first what we got a nectarine, we got a peach, and we got a plum. So what I'm going to do is take out the middle core. So what you do is you run your knife sideways down all the way, just like that. Same thing on the plum. Sometimes you're going to have issues prying it open, so you use your knife back and forth. Over here, same thing. Like I said, just pry it back and forth. Sometimes it comes out, sometimes you might have to struggle a little bit more. See, now we have a couple pits inside. So to remove the pit, what I'm going to use is my paring knife. So I'm going to take the peak and just follow it. This is just something that you got to do nice and slow to remove it. So just like that. This one has a little residue of it, so I'm going to just remove that too. I don't want any kind of pit inside this salad, so I gotta just take my time, follow it, use the tip of the knife to pry it open, just like that. The plum is a little bit smaller pit, so that one's the easiest one to get out. So you follow, pop. We got one more over here. There you go. Now to grill it. So what I'm going to do is a little brown sugar. So what I'm going to do is just spray it with a little pan spray on both sides, on the top end, I should say. I'm going to sprinkle a little brown sugar. Now I'm just going to put it on my grill that's right behind me, flat. I just want to grill on one side, kind of caramelize it. Now at this point, I'm going to make the vinaigrette for this. So for today, I figured something light, something vibrant. So I'm going to do a take on the honey lime dressing without really doing the honey lime dressing. So this is not the honey lime recipe. So just in case you think it is, it's not. So what I'm going to do is grab my mixing bowl, put in 3 lime juices. So this is juice of 3 limes. I'm gonna add 4 ounces of olive oil, 2 ounces honey, and then I'm gonna take some fresh mint. So I'm gonna just take it like this. All I want is the tip. So then I'm just going to julienne it really fine. Throw that in here. Sprinkle about 1 teaspoon kosher salt. Mix that together, and that's my vinaigrette. So this is a mint honey lime vinaigrette. See how it looks? Beautiful. So now I'm going to check on my stone fruit. It's almost done. Jesus, ¿me puedes traer unas pinzas? Asking for some tongs. I'm going to ask for some tongs. See, stuff like this always happens when I'm filming videos. I forget little things that I do need. So I do need some tongs right now, so they're going to go grab it for me. In the meantime, I'm going to grab about 1 cup of baby greens, 1 cup of baby arugula, thank you. And then I'm going to add my dressing. I just need 2 ounces. So you're going to have some left over. You don't want it too much dressing because it's not going to be good. Then you're going to take your spatula and just toss it around. Just like that. Now for the plate presentation. I'm going to take my plate. I'm going to take a little burrata. I'm going to smash it. So I'm going to take my knife, just open it, pull it aside, just like this. Like that. Now I'm going to take my baby greens, and I'm going to go both sides. So I want to see the burrata still, so I'm not trying to hide it. So I'm just trying to show it off. So I'm going around it, so then the burrata will be like a nice little surprise in the middle. Just like this. Stone fruit should almost be done. So there you go, just a little caramel on it, which is just going to make it a little tender, very soft, and it gives it a little different flavor. Just in case the fruit isn't too sweet, this will sweeten it up a little bit. Okay, let that chill off a little bit. Clean up a little bit. Now I'm going to take some cherry tomatoes, maybe about 5 of them. Split it down long ways. These I'm just going to drop around. Now for the stone fruit, I'm just going to go right down the middle. And this will go like this. I'm going to switch up the colors, mix them up. So peaches, nectarines, and plums, all different colors. That way it gives it a little variety. And there you go. There is the grilled stone fruit salad with a little burrata, baby arugula, and a little baby greens with mint, honey lime dressing. So I hope you enjoy that. Now for a couple tips. First tip is, of course, you can add protein to this salad. This salad right now is 100% vegetarian, but if you wanted to add a little bit of protein, I would add grilled shrimp, grilled chicken, even some salmon. So that's just a couple tips. So thank you again for watching this video. Please leave me any comments, any feedback. Don't forget to hit subscribe. As always, if you create the salad, tag me at Chef Jesse Q on Instagram and I'll repost you. So thank you so much and see you next week. Take care. Bye.